So today we'll be talking about how you can view your file using the tail command. So we'll be using the Apache configuration file as a case study. So I already told you what Apache is. Apache is a software that requests for URL you wherever that URL is being hosted. So whenever you type anything, it is the Apache that will go look for it, and wherever that particular URL is hosted, and give it to you in form of HTML. So I think look at the Apache folder, CD. This is the Apache folder, CDVAR HTML. So this is the public Apache folder. You understand? So, you know, even if when you host anything, when you put anything on this particular folder here, you'll be able to access it over the internet, but your local, uh, within the within the local, uh, within your local network. So okay, that is not what we're talking about today. So what we're talking major is how you can view your command, your files. So we'll be using the same Apache configuration file as a case study. So now let's locate CD. Let's go. Let me come back here. Sorry, CD dot dot. So if you want to go back from your URL, from your folder, you want to go back from your folder, just use this cd dot 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 blah blah blah. So now today we now let me search for Apache configuration file. So use the word locate. So if you want to see other method you can use to get this Apache configuration file to your Apache whatever, or any other file or program that is running on the system. So you can refer back to the former video. So now this is the Apache. I'm going to look for Apache configuration file now. So this is the Apache configuration file. Try to get it. So I think it's located up. So the reason why you're seeing all this bulky file is because when you use that command locate, it will locate anywhere that Apache is being mentioned. So it will locate anywhere Apache is being mentioned. So I have two here. One is Apache configuration file 3, Apache configuration file 2, Apache 2.config and Apache 3.config. So but let me use this as a case study. So I will copy it, and once I copy it, let me come down. So now let me first for you to view this file, let me clear this. Let me clear for you to clear your screen, you can use the command clear. So now let me use cat and view this folder. So and view what is inside this particular file here. So you see it, these are all the stuff that is on this Apache configuration file. So, but this is not what we need today. So if you want to view, let me clear again. Let me clear, use the command clear, because that's not what we are dealing with. So if you are not interested in viewing all these particular files here, you are not interested in viewing all those words that is written on the Apache configuration file, you can just you want to just use maybe first 10 line of the file, you can just use the word, you can just type tail. You can just maybe you want to start from the up, maybe the head, because today we'll be talking about the head and the tail. So just use the head. This head command will show you, you know, let me not use the first 20 first. They show you the headings of the Apache configuration file. So you see, instead of giving us the bulky letters that they gave us before, it only brought out edge of the edge of the Apache configuration file. And if you want to, if you are viewing it from the beginning, so let me count the line: one, two, three, four, five, six, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this will give you like the first 10 lines of Apache configuration file. So if you want to still view the tail, you use the if you want to view from the from the bottom, you can use the tail command too. And you know, let me remove this. The tail command, you can see. So this is you viewed it from the bottom. That is the end of the of the Apache configuration file. So I'm only using Apache configuration file as a case study. You can use, you can apply it to every other, files or configuration file or whatever file that you want to view, you know. So uh, that is now if you want to view like first 30 line, you can just put first 30 line from the beginning. You can just put add, add. You put first 30 line. Let me say first 30 line, first 30 line. Let me see if it, or let me see, you want to view first 20 line because I don't want to be typing this folder. Or let me just copy this folder. Let me copy it. You want to view the first 30 line. Not, I don't want to use first 20. So you want to view first 30 lines of this file. Let me paste this code. Let me paste this directory again. So you just click enter. See, this will give you first 30 line of Apache configuration file. And if you want for the if you want to view the first, the same thing applicable to you want to view from the first 30 line from the down. So all you just need to do is to still put tail. You use the tail command. So tail command, and you put, let me put minus. So you make sure you put your minus 30. So you put your file and you paste. So let me paste it again. So you must put, since I'm not on this directory, on this etc, this this directory, etc stroke Apache 2. Since I'm not on the directory, you must put the full directory so that the so that this so that as you are running your command, it will know where to figure out the um it will know what and what to figure out the uh or tell you what you are looking for. So you just put tail. You can see it will give you the first 30 command from the beginning. So this will be for today. So maybe next one I will show you how you can look for, how you be able to uh, filter a file and possibly find and replace a file. Thank you for today. Stay blessed. So please subscribe and click the notification bell for more. Thank you.